How to remove an FTP user account from DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now, click FTP Management icon. Here is the list of FTP accounts, and this is the default FTP account. Please note that you cannot delete the default or main FTP account for a domain. You can only delete additional FTP accounts that you have created. Check the box to select the FTP account you wish to delete. Then click Delete option. Click Delete again to confirm. Success! The selected FTP account has been deleted. Thank you for watching.